every drop of honey, golden and rich. It's a gift from nature, the product of millions of hardworking bees laboring tirelessly each day. Watching honey flow directly from the hive is an irresistible sight. Its golden color shines under the sunlight, carrying a sweet aroma and pure flavor. In this video, we'll explore how the world's largest bee farms raise billions of bees and harvest millions of tons of honey each year. This is a journey that honors nature's traditional ways while embracing the power of modern technology to produce pure, nutrient-rich honey. The honey-making process begins in vast flower fields, where each bee moves from one bloom to another, using its tiny tongue to collect sweet nectar. Every bee has a noble mission: to turn each drop of nectar into honey and store it in the hive's hexagonal cells. This perfect structure not only protects the bee larvae, but also safely stores honey and sustains the hive's life through harsh winter months. In large-scale bee farms, this natural process is expanded, but remains true to tradition. To keep the bees healthy and ensure high-quality honey, these farms maintain clean, chemical-free environments. The abundance of diverse flowers throughout the year provides a rich source of nectar, ensuring that the final product is pure honey with a natural, robust flavor. During its short lifespan, a single bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey. This may seem like a small amount, but with billions of bees working diligently together, they create the vast supply of honey we enjoy daily. It's this unity and productivity of the entire hive that bring us this remarkable gift. Once the hives are full of honey, beekeepers prepare for one of the most crucial and meticulous stages: harvesting. This work not only requires skill, but also great patience and care. To start, beekeepers put on protective gear, covering themselves with suits, hats, and gloves to avoid stings. They then use a light smoke to gently calm the bees. The smoke doesn't just reduce the bees' aggression, it also encourages them to briefly move away from the hive, making it safer to collect the frames without harming them. Light smoke also triggers the bees to produce more honey in the remaining cells, optimizing the harvest. With the bees now calmer, the beekeeper uses a simple yet essential tool: a bee brush. With each careful and slow movement, the beekeeper gently removes the bees from the honeycomb frames. Every brushstroke is a delicate motion to ensure no harm comes to any bee, as each one is a vital part of the hive. When the frames are free of bees, the beekeeper carefully lifts each heavy, honey-filled frame. Under natural light, these frames shine like transparent blocks of gold, glowing warmly. Each frame is a masterpiece, the result of countless hours of effort by millions of bees. After harvesting, each honeycomb is meticulously placed in wooden crates, ready for the next part of its journey to the factory. In the factory, Honey processing takes place with the support of modern machinery, all while preserving the honey's natural essence. First, the protective wax layer on the honeycomb is removed, revealing the honey within. High-speed centrifuges then spin the honeycomb frames, extracting each drop of golden honey carefully and precisely. After extraction, the honey is filtered through fine sieves to remove any wax and impurities, ensuring it remains pure and unadulterated. Each drop of honey is then stored in large containers at an optimal temperature to maintain its natural liquidity, ready for the bottling process. Automated systems accurately fill each jar, minimizing waste and ensuring the honey remains clean and safe. Honey is not only a sweet treat, but also a valuable source of nutrients. Each drop contains enzymes, vitamins, and minerals that boost immunity, support digestion, and provide natural energy to the body. Just one spoonful of honey before a meal can give you a natural, easily absorbed energy source that's great for your health. It's no wonder that honey has become an essential part of a healthy lifestyle for people worldwide. The largest bee farms continue to breed strong, healthy bee species adapted to natural environments, ensuring that honey retains its purest flavor. For these farms, honey is not just a product, it's a precious gift from nature. Looking back on the journey from flower fields to the golden honey carefully bottled, we see the perfect harmony between nature and technology. This balance has added value to every drop of honey, a cherished gift from nature. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of beekeepers' work, the marvel of nature, and the role of modern technology. Treasure and choose pure honey, knowing that every drop you enjoy is the result of millions of tiny, extraordinary bees working together.